a giant cake. Wiggle, wiggle, it starts to shake. Is it dancing? Is it alive? Cake said hello, what a surprise! Baby shark jumps back in shock. Cake starts spinning, tick tock tock. Shake, shake, funny cake. Wobble, wobble, silly cake. Is it real or is it fake? Talking, dancing, birthday cake. Daddy shark says cut it fast. Cake runs away super fast. Grandma laughs, grandpa slips. Frosting lands on everyone's lips. Fish are sliding on the cream. This is wild, it's like a dream. Run, run, catch that cake. Don't let it escape the plate. Jump and splash and twist and shake. Catch that naughty birthday cake. Baby shark tries one more time. Come here, cake, you will be mine. He jumps up high, splash. Oh no! Falls straight into frosting snow. Now he's covered head to toe. Looks like cake. Hello, hello. Messy mess, what a sight. Baby shark is creamy white. Laugh, laugh, clap your fins. Hooray, fun, everybody wins. Cake stops running, soft and sweet. Okay, friends, now you can eat. Everyone takes a yummy bite. Best cake ever, pure delight. Candles glowing, wishes made. Happy smiles never fade. Clap, 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 hooray, hooray. Best birthday ever today. Sing along and celebrate. Fun with baby shark and cake. Pop the balloons, dance around. Happy laughter fills the sound. Baby shark waves goodbye. See you next time, don't be shy. Five little monsters were riding on a bus. One jumped off and bumped into me. The driver called the wizard, and the wizard said, no more monsters jumping on the bus. Riding on the bus, riding on the bus. No more monsters jumping on the bus. Honk, honk, beep, beep. Four little monsters were riding on a bus. One jumped off and broke the wheel. The driver called the fairy, and the fairy said, stop the monsters rocking the bus. Three little monsters were riding on a bus. One jumped off and broke the horn. The driver called the dragon, and the dragon roared, stop these monsters breaking the bus. Two little monsters were riding on a bus. One jumped off and tore the seat. The driver called the mermaid, and the mermaid said, no more riding on the shaky bus. One little monster was riding on a bus. He jumped off and cracked the bus. The driver called the wizard, and the wizard said, fix the bus, fix the bus, fix the bus, let's fix the bus. Clap, clap, clap. They fixed the bus. Yay, yay, yay. All the monsters helped to fix the bus. Now it's shining without any fuss. The driver called the monsters and they all shouted loud. Come on, friends, let's ride this bus tonight. It's bedtime, baby shark, but first, no, 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 brush your teeth first. Maybe shark is sleepy on, so I want to sleep, he cried. Mommy shark says no, no, no. First brush your teeth, row, row, row. Funny brushing part. Mommy shark with toothbrush big and blue. Baby shark says, ooh, ooh, ooh. Brush, 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 left and right. shark, but first you brushed. Smart little shark, good night, sleepyhead. Now go to bed, you funny spread. Daddy shark comes with a big warm hug. Baby shark still making a fuss. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Brush was yucky, I made a face. Now can I sleep in my cozy place? Good night, baby shark, but first you brushed. Smart little shark, good night, sleepyhead. Now go to bed, you funny spread. Grandpa shark turns the lights so low. All the sharks say soft and slow. Good night, baby, you brush so well. Sweet dreams of bubbles and ocean swell. Final funny ending. Mommy shark is snoring loud.
Sweet dreams, little one. Rest well.
Bomb is coming from his mouth. Blub, blub, blub. Mommy shark whispers, what a day. Our funny baby shark, hip, hip, hooray. Shh, 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 shh. Sleep tight, everyone. See you tomorrow for more fun. Wow. Good night, baby shark. But first you brush. Smart little shark, good night, sleepyhead. Now go to bed, you funny spread.
This is fun, Mommy. You're doing so well. All clean.
Choo-choo train is on the way. Way through the jungle bright and gray. Baby dinos hear the sound. Let's all jump and run around. Choo-choo, go, go, go. Dino party in a row. Tracks are shaking, trees all sway. It's a dino train today. T-Rex climbs with tiny feet. Is the seat too big for me? Triceratops says, move aside. All the dinos take a ride. Bearing, choo-choo, stomp, stomp, stomp. Dino dance on every stop. Roar and laugh and jump in line. Train is wild and feeling fine. Suddenly the train goes boom. Stegosaurus shakes the room. Brachio bends and hits the top. Oops, I think I made it pop. Choo-choo, wiggle, wiggle. Dinos laugh and do a jiggle. Rumble, tumble, what a sight. Dino train is wild tonight. Train goes into spooky cave. Who is inside? Be brave, be brave. Echo sound, roar, roar, roar. Who's it guide? Baby dino scream for more. But it's just a dino band. Trying music in the sand. Choo-choo, music blast. Dino party moving fast. Clap your claws and stomp your feet. This train ride is super sweet. Train comes out into the sun. Dino shouting, this was fun. Driver dino rings the bell. Next adventure all is well. Choo-choo, one last cheer. Dino friends are all right here. Roar and laugh and say hooray. Train ride ends the happy way. Choo-choo, stomp, stomp, stomp. Dino train will never stop. Sing it loud and join the fun. Dinosaur ride for everyone. Choo-choo. Roar, baby shark, doo-doo-doo, wait. Splashing in the ocean blue on wiggle, waggle, tail so fast. Let's find fun that really lasts. Baby shark is swimming wide and doing flips from side to side. And suddenly balloon jumps out near the shore. Tiny. Dino sneezes. Splash, he falls into the blue. Got baby shark laughs. Hey, are you okay?
Oh, no.
Dino says, oops, I'm just trying to play. Hey. Dino stomps, boom, boom, boom. Makes big waves like zoom, zoom, zoom. Baby shark spins round and round. Both are making funny sounds. Splash, splash, wiggle, wag. Big Dino dances, shark goes whack. They try to copy each other moves. Dino swims, oh no, he grooves. Baby shark walks like a day, no two, they both laugh. Hoo, hoo, hoo. They find food floating by yo. Dino eats, then starts to fly. Ha ha! Woo! He goes super loud. Baby shark laughs very proud. Food falls everywhere, splashy mess. Oops, we made a funny stress. Ha ha! Dino jumps, boom, in sand. Now he's stuck, oh not planned. Baby shark tries to pull him free. Push, 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 1, 2, 3. I slip, splash into sea head. Both go spinning like crazy spree. Oopsie doo, what a day. Funniest friends in every way. Now they laugh and splash all day, doing silly games they play. Dino roars, baby shark sings hell. Friendship, joy that ocean brings them. Baby shark and Dino fun. Best silly friends under the sun. Pop, 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 balloon so high. Baby and shark are standing by. It's birthday time, come let's play cow. Counting balloons the fun way. Baby shark, baby smiles and claps with joy. High, high. Baby shark jumps like a toy. One red balloon flies in the air. Let's pop it now, are you there? Pop it bursts, what a sound. One is gone, not around. One balloon, happy cheer. Two blue balloons floating high. Baby and shark give a try. Pop, pop, they both go away. Happy birthday, let's all play. Two balloons, count with me. Three green balloons start to dance. They say, give us one more chance. Baby laugh, shark look shocked. These balloons are talking a lot. Oh wow, wow, what is this? Baby runs, shark swims fast, trying to pop them at last. Pop one hides behind a tree. Now only two left, one to see. Counting fun, don't you stop. Suddenly balloons turn into cake. Birthday magic, wide awake. Baby claps, shark says wow. This is the best party now. Pop confetti in the air. Double birthday joy everywhere.